In this PhotoGrid AI Image Enhancer review, we're diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software. If you're into enhancing images using cutting-edge AI, this might be a game changer for you, especially considering how fast image editing technology is evolving. So stick around until the end to find out if PhotoGrid is really worth your time or if there's something better out there. First, let me tell you, you can try PhotoGrid AI Image Enhancer completely for free with the link in the description below. Yes, you heard that right. No commitments, just real hands-on experience. So don't miss out on that. Now let's jump straight into the features. PhotoGrid AI Image Enhancer promises to be one of the best AI software solutions for image enhancement. It leverages powerful artificial intelligence to improve the clarity, sharpness, and quality of your photos in a way that feels almost like magic. Whether you're a content creator, photographer, or just someone who loves to make their images pop, this tool is designed to give your photos a professional look, even if you don't have Photoshop skills. One of the most impressive things about PhotoGrid AI Image Enhancer is its speed. AI software can sometimes be slow when processing images, but PhotoGrid manages to deliver results in just a few seconds. You upload your image, let the AI do its magic, and boom, you're done. That's huge for anyone who needs to edit a lot of images quickly. And what makes this AI tool stand out is its ability to upscale images without losing quality. Normally, when you try to enlarge a photo, it can become pixelated or blurry. With PhotoGrid, you can increase resolution without the usual downsides. This is perfect for creating large-scale prints or simply improving the quality of lower-resolution images. Another key feature worth mentioning is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech guru to navigate this software. The entire process is intuitive. You select the image, click a button, and let the AI do the rest. It's the kind of tool that you can start using immediately without needing to spend hours learning how it works. Speaking of how it works, PhotoGrid's AI uses deep learning algorithms trained on millions of photos to improve your images. This means that, over time, the software gets even better at enhancing your photos as it learns from more data. The AI doesn't just sharpen your images, it also adjusts colors, tones, and even removes unwanted noise from your pictures. When it comes to pricing, there's a major advantage here. While many image-enhancing AI tools come with hefty subscription fees, PhotoGrid AI Image Enhancer offers a free version with powerful capabilities. Of course, there are premium versions with even more advanced features, but you can definitely get a lot done with the free version alone. Now you might be wondering how it compares to other AI tools. The main differentiator for PhotoGrid is how well it balances simplicity and power. Many other image enhancement software tools either require a steep learning curve or lack the level of AI sophistication that PhotoGrid offers. It feels like you're getting a pro-level tool with little to no effort on your part. Before you go, let me tell you one more thing. I've tried over 1,000 AI software solutions, and in the description, you'll find my recommended picks, including PhotoGrid. These tools have been tested and reviewed to make sure they deliver value, and you can try them all for free. So, if you're looking to enhance your images quickly and effectively, PhotoGrid AI Image Enhancer could be exactly what you need. Don't forget to try it for free using the link below and see for yourself how powerful this software can be.